Hi, welcome back to my channel Shony Vlogs, and today I will be introducing you guys to my other recipe, spinach chicken or palak chicken. And yes, this again is totally oil free and it's cooked in a microwave. So let's check out. So how was the recipe, guys? Did you like it? If you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and also do comment, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notifications of my videos. So I'll be seeing you soon with my next video. Till then, bye guys.